Welcome back to OneStopTutorials.com. How you doing, guys and girls? Alibaba here again. Now we're going to carry on. We've done really well. We've checked everything. We've validated everything. Everything is looking good. We're nearly time to get content in and start adding some links and stuff. What I want to do is open up Google Analytics. Now I've actually just made a new email address. I called it coffeecakerecipe@gmail.com. Reason being is I want to keep all of this in one place. I want to join analytics. I want to join Webmaster Tools. Okay, so put in your email address or put in a new email address. I mean, email addresses are so easy to do that just up to you what you want to do. But the next stage you want to do is go to google.com/analytics. Okay, and all we need to do basically is we need to actually sign up for an analytics account. Okay, so it's easy and free. All you do is stick in your email address, your password. I'm going to sign in. It doesn't like my password. Let's try it again. Okay, it's liking my password this time. And basically all we're going to do is set up an actual account. We want to come down to here, sign up. Okay, and it's going to ask us for our actual URL, and it is coffeecakerecipe.com. Okay, account name, so what's it going to be? Okay, it puts it in automatically. I'm not in America. I'm actually in where is it? Thailand, and the time zone is correct, +700, and it's +7, sorry, and it's Bangkok. So I'm going to hit continue, and it wants my first name. I'm going to put Ali, my last name Baba, and country of territory. We just did this, but Thailand. I'm going to hit continue. Blah blah blah. It's all in Thai. If you can read that, good job. If you can't, just click that, create a new account. And it's hopefully, yep, this is the bit that I want. This is the bit, this is the reason we're doing this now, is because this bit of code, I actually want to add it to my web page. What this code is this is your actual tracking code, and if you add it to your page, you'll be able to view who's going to what page, how long they're on that page, what are they doing on that page. I mean, you can find out vast amount of information from this one bit of code. Okay, so this is what I wanted, so I'm going to copy this, Control or Command C. I'm going to come back to our template, and if you look here, actually it tells you immediately before the closing head tag. Okay, so I'm going to put that immediately before our closing head tag, which is where our hack is. So I'm going to Control V that in there. The reason I do this is because we're going to duplicate this page, and it's going to be a lot easier if we have everything set up. So this Google Analytics script that we have here, okay, this is going to, when we do file, save as, and call the page a different name, it's all going to be in there, and everything's going to be ready to rock and roll. Okay, so anything else I need to do here? Okay, I've got my code. I'm just going to hit save and finish. And here we are. Here is the coffeecakerecipe.com, and it's asking me, it's telling me I've got an error. More than likely it is that I actually haven't confirmed it yet. Let's have a look what the thing is. But as you can see, no one's come to my website. I've got 0 visits, and if I actually had someone, I would be truly amazed because there's nothing there. Okay, now what we're going to do is, like this course is about every month coming back and having a look and checking things out, so we will be in the future coming back to this page and checking things out and making sure everything is okay. Okay, what I think we're going to do now is, now we've got the analytics in, let's join up with Webmaster Tools. So I'm going to go to my account, and my account is always actually up here in Google. So if I was to go to the home page of Google, you'll notice you're logged in already. Settings, Google account settings. I mean, a lot of you probably know this already. But what I want is, I actually want Webmaster Tools. So Google Webmaster Tools. This is an absolutely unbelievable must. I mean, if you're doing anything to do with designing websites or anything like that, you need this tool. This is an unbelievable tool, and we will be coming through this a lot. This will tell you the keywords that are being searched. It will sort out your sitemap, which we're going to do, and it's just really amazing tool. Okay, so Google Webmasters tool, just type that into Google and come here. Again, we want to sign in, and again get the password right, Mr. Barber. Okay, and I'm probably going to have to set all this up as well, but I'll run you through it. Nope. Yep, I'm going to add a site. Is that correct? Work on the Webmasters to get started at a site. So I'm going to put coffee. How many F's I got there? Coffee cake recipe.com, and I'm going to hit continue. Getting all this set up again. It's given us some. It wants me to verify that I'm actually the owner of Coffee Cake Recipe. Gives you a few options on what to do: upload an HTML file, add all this sort of stuff. So for the minute, I'm going to stick in a meta tag, and what we might have to do in a bit is actually move this. At the moment this is on onestoptutorials.com. What I might do is actually move this to coffeecakerecipe.com. Just otherwise I won't be able to test this, and I won't be able to verify it. Okay, but what I'm going to do for time being is I'm going to do a Control or Command C, and it's telling me to make sure it should go in the head section before the first body. Okay, so should go in the head section before the first body. So again, underneath I'm going to put that in there. In fact, I'm going to stick it a bit higher. I'm going to stick it up here. It doesn't really matter, but hey, just keeping it tidy. And let me come back here and I'll just verify this later. Okay, and here we are. This is telling me I need to verify. This is my Webmasters tool account, and again, as we go through this project, we're going to come in here and do a lot more, but basically I'm going to have to verify this before I can get started inside of here. I just wanted you to join these two things because you want to, when it comes to websites, you want to know what people are looking for and what they're not looking for. You want to know which pages they're going to and they're not going to. You want to know how long they come to your website and spend on your website. All this information is good. With Google Webmasters tools, we can home in, we can actually see what keywords are being used and what keywords aren't being used. With this Webmasters tool as well, we can check that all of our pages have no search engine errors. We can also sort out a sitemap with Webmaster tools that is really, really important, and a lot of people don't do. So we're going to come back to this. For the time being, join both of those. Use your original email address or start a new email address, or if you've already got one with Google Webmasters tool, if you've already got one account already, you can just add a new site and follow the last lot of steps where you actually have to insert some code into your page, and you can run in fact you can run multiple domain names off one account inside of Webmasters tools. So that's it for this tutorial. I think we are ready to rock and roll. I'm going to upload everything to coffeecakerecipe.com. I'm going to get it up there so I can actually make all this stuff verified and working, and then we're going to get started adding content to our pages, duplicating our pages, and getting us making this become a live website, and see if we can start earning some money and get highly ranked through it. Take it easy, guys and girls. Catch you at the next one-stop tutorial.